Chord spacing between 1 and 2 is A, between 2 and 3 is B, and between 3 and 4 is C. A, B, C. Okay, this is a side step. Variation 1 by Cetus. The original design is by Joe Clegg, and I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. All right, so starting this knot, I'm going to take the weaving cord and it's going to go down A and C. All right, so let's begin. It's a 4-step knot, so each knot is literally 4 different steps. So let's begin. We're going to grab our right cord. We're going to go down A, out through B, and above the cord. So it's going to look like that. And just pull. Going to grab our left cord. We're going to go down C, out through B, and it's also going to be above the cord. So it's going to look like that. Okay, so pull it up. Now we're going to grab our right strand. We're going to go around and out through C, but through the loop on the right. So we'll pull the cord coming out through here, and then we'll pull the slack. Now we're going to grab our left cord. We're going to go, okay, we're going to go around, out through A, and we're going to pull. And that's our first knot. So let's start again. Okay, we're going to grab our right cord. We're going to go down through A, out through B, and above the cord. Not through the loop or anything. All right, we're going to grab our left cord. We're going to go down through C and out through B. And we're going to pull. Okay, we're going to grab our right cord. We're going to go around, out through C, and in through the loop. This video is going to be a little bit longer just because I want to show you at least 3 knots. We'll pull the cord coming out through C and then pull the slack. We'll grab our right cord. We're going to go around to the left and out through A, and it's going to be above the cord. So we'll pull it and then tighten it up. That's our second knot. Let's do one more. We're going to grab our right cord down through A and out through B. And above the cord again, and we'll just pull. We're going to grab our left cord, go down through C and out through B, and we're going to pull this slack. All right. Going to grab our right cord, we'll go around, out through C, and in through the loop. And we'll pull once again, the cord coming out through C. Going to grab our left cord. We're going to go around and out through A. Let's do one more. Might as well make it long. All right, we're going to grab our right chord, down through A and out through B. Grab our left chord, we're going to go down through C and out through B. Our right chord, we're going to grab it, we're going to round out through C and in through the loop again. And we're going to pull, coming out through C and tighten. We're going to grab our left chord, we're going to go around out through A and above the chord. Okay, that's our knot. Take it to the end. Have fun.